Delphi TVS Technologies is a joint venture between Mannur Incorporated USA and the TVS Group India, offering fuel injection systems for cars, multi-utility, light and medium-duty commercial vehicles, construction equipment vehicles, tractors, gensets, and various small engines. Mannur is a leading automotive global supplier, and TVS is one of India's largest Tier 1 suppliers. Delphi TVS is an ISO TS 16949 and ISO 14001 certified organization. The state-of-art technical center at Delphi TVS is part of Mannur's global technical centers. Delphi TVS believes that its success is based on the solid foundation of customer satisfaction, continuous innovation, and total employee involvement.
Delphi TVS Technical Center is equipped with state-of-the-art test facility to do a full engine and vehicle development and to meet the requirements of the customer and the latest emission norms. Let us look at some of the facilities we have at Delphi TVS Technical Center. First facility we are going to look at is the fuel injection system test rigs. So these test rigs are useful for development of both common rail as well as mechanical systems, and these are useful for evaluating the prototypes before they are taken to the engine and the vehicle. The important function of these test rigs is to do the characterization of the fuel injection system. The next facility we are going to look at is the engine test beds. At Delphi TVS, we have 7 eddy current and 4 transient dynamometers. All these test beds are equipped with emission measurement equipment and are used for testing up to the latest emission norms for passenger cars, commercial vehicles, off-highway and tractor applications. The state-of-the-art chassis dynamometer facility. The chassis dynamometer we have is capable of testing up to the latest BS6 emission levels. Apart from the MIDC cycle, the system can be loaded with different speed load conditions required to simulate real drive emissions as well as different customized vehicle drive cycles. We are now looking at the Reliability Test Center, which is a part of the Technical Center at DTVS. The facility has the capability to perform endurance tests as well as environmental durability trials. DTVS is equipped with PEMS equipment to measure on-road emission levels to meet the latest RDE emission regulation. The equipment can also be used for passenger cars, small commercial vehicles, and medium commercial vehicles.
Manufacturing facility at Oragadam manufactures all the products of FIE, pump, injector, rail and filter under one roof. The assembly processes are built with traceability to ensure product quality stage-wise. Automation with Pokuyoke are extensively practiced. Product manufacturing is integrated with finer leak testing processes and functional testing. Customer interface dimensions are ensured 100%. Over 1000 CNC controlled high precision equipments are used. Precision machining, high precision grinding are done in-house to ensure product quality. State-of-the-art heat treatment facility, low pressure carburizing being used for critical child parts heat treatment. Nozzle manufacturing is done with finest high precision grinders and automation. High precision metrology facilities are hallmark of our manufacturing with vision equipments, 3 coordinate measuring machines, contour and roundness measurements. Our assembly processes are ensured with best in class clean room practices. Our rail manufacturing follows special processes like autofrettage, fluid grinding. Assembly lines include leak testing, functional testing, and customer interface verification. Our filter manufacturing covers in-house element preparation with high-speed plating process. Over 15 different filter elements are manufactured to meet highest filtration levels to suit customer needs. We have 5 different assembly lines to manufacture variants. Our people are constantly trained at BorgWarner and on the latest manufacturing technology to meet challenges.